Welcome to the Ultimate Adventure Machine Reveal. Today, we're diving deep into the bold and unstoppable 2026 EarthRoamer LTi camper van motorhome. If you love off-grid freedom, rugged power, and luxury living on wheels, this one is going to blow your mind. Finished in a striking vibrate black color and built with a rugged long body 4x4 setup. This motorhome is designed for explorers who refuse to stay on the pavement. So buckle up, because this is not just an RV, this is a statement. Standing here in the company's showroom, the front view of the 2026 EarthRoamer LTi immediately commands attention. The bold grille proudly carries the EarthRoamer badge, giving it that premium expedition identity. The aggressive front fascia, heavy-duty bumper, and raised stand show that this machine is built for extreme terrain. The LED headlights are sharp and modern, while the high ground clearance tells you it's ready for mountains, deserts, or snowy trails. In this vibrate black finish, the body looks both luxurious and intimidating, a true blend of elegance and power. Now let's move up and take a look at the top side. From above, you can clearly see the advanced solar plate system covering the roof. These solar panels are designed to keep you powered even when you're miles away from civilization. Alongside the panels, there's a sturdy antenna setup to ensure connectivity wherever possible. You'll also notice the neatly integrated AC outer unit, carefully positioned for efficiency and airflow. Everything on the roof is arranged with precision, showing how thoughtfully engineered this motorhome truly is. At the back, functionality meets adventure. The rear side of the 2026 EarthRoamer LTi features a carefully mounted extra tire, essential for off-road journeys. Right next to it, you'll find a secure cycle carrier system, perfectly adjusted for outdoor enthusiasts who love biking in remote locations. The rear ladder gives easy access to the roof, and the strong bumper design reinforces the vehicle's rugged personality. It's practical, bold, and built for serious exploration. Moving to the side view, the long body design becomes even more impressive. The 4x4 wheels are large and aggressive, ready to grip any terrain. On this side, there's a beautifully fitted outdoor tent extension that creates a shaded sitting area. Imagine parking near a lake, unfolding this tent, setting up chairs, and enjoying the sunset. This feature transforms a motorhome into a complete outdoor living space. It's not just travel, it's lifestyle. Now, let's step inside the driving compartment. The cockpit is modern, comfortable, and technology-focused. The driver's seat is elevated for a commanding road view, and everything is within reach. There are two LED display screens, one for navigation and vehicle controls, and another dedicated to backside camera view, making reversing and parking extremely easy. The dashboard feels premium, solid, and ready for long journeys. It's a perfect mix of truck-like toughness and motorhome comfort. Behind the driving area, we enter the sitting and sleeping space. There's a well-designed sofa setup that easily converts into a comfortable bed. The cushions are thick and supportive, perfect for relaxing after a long drive. The layout makes smart use of space, ensuring you can sit comfortably during the day and sleep peacefully at night. Large windows bring in natural light, making the interior feel open and airy despite its compact size. Next to the sitting area, you'll find a compact yet functional kitchen. It includes a small stove, a sink, storage cabinets, and enough counter space to prepare meals easily. The design is minimal but efficient. Everything is placed strategically, so you can cook without feeling cramped. Whether you're making coffee in the morning or cooking dinner off-grid, this kitchen supports your adventure lifestyle. Now, let's talk about the washroom. Even in a small space, the 2026 EarthRoamer LTi manages to provide a neatly adjusted washroom setup. There's a compact toilet, a small sink, and a shower area integrated smartly. The materials used are durable and water-resistant, designed for long-term travel. It's private, practical, and surprisingly comfortable for its size. Finally, let's talk about the price and value. The 2026 EarthRoamer LTi camper van motorhome comes with a price tag of approximately $170,000. For a rugged long body 4x4 expedition vehicle in vibrate black with solar power, off-road capability, luxury interior, and complete off-grid systems, this price reflects serious capability and premium craftsmanship. So, what do you think about this adventure beast? Would you take it to the mountains or the desert? Let us know your thoughts below, and force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.